When I got the invitation to attend this opening ceremony, and it was supposed to be on Thursday, I pleaded with the managing director and his team that because you know that Thursday is a working day and I'm under somebody, I'll prefer it to be on Friday so that I'll use the excuse of weekend and then attend this ceremony. So I thanked the managing director for obliging me. It makes me happy because when you approached me when I was governor, you made a promise that, look, you are not coming to talk to me as other businessmen have done, but coming to make all kinds of promises. I did say that, look, as a government, ours is to provide the enabling environment, conducive environment for business to thrive. And you told me that you are going to build 4 of this. I said, go and start one first. If not built one, you want to build 4. And I commissioned that at Eastern Bypass. Before I knew it, I saw the one at GRA. And this has come to the commissioning stage, which means within 1 year, you have done 3. That means I believe that in no short time, you will have completed the 4th. Now, what does this mean? You have provided employment for our people. And I want to thank the communities here who have identified with the company. Look at the landscape of this area and what it has turned to be. It's not only government that can bring development. Private individuals can bring development and government provided the enabling environment. On my own part, let it not be that you are concentrating only in Port Harcourt. I hereby invite you to Abuja. I'll give you land immediately. I hereby invite you to Abuja so that you will also contribute to the economic development of Abuja and will collect small tax and then provide employment for our people. I overheard the governor of Oyo trying to lobby you. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. So take my own first before you move to any other place. But sincerely speaking, I want to commend you and your management and thank you. God bless you.